Now, when you're inside the engine, you can see the different options you have. Here you can do the fault code reading. Here you see the number on the fault, the description on that fault, and it will give you more details on the freeze frame data, so you can see when it happened, the date and time, and the current state. Clear them, of course, and you do have live monitoring. As far as live monitoring, this is super important. You have access to all the different sensors in the engine, and you can select what you need and then just do a recording up to 90 minutes, and it will do a whole diagnostics through that recording. So it will show you the faults, and it will show you simultaneously the data you have on each component on the engine. So you can compare them after you do your repair if it's like what changed on them. So let me give you an example here. I'm gonna compare these two temperatures. You can run it as a graph right here. So if you select like 5 variables, you can compare 2 right there, just leave 1 or 2. And also you have this other view, and it will give you a preview even when it's way higher, and so on. It's super helpful. You do have special maintenance functions on the engine, like the EGR system reset and the soot content on the particulate filter. Here's you an overview with technical information. There's the percentage, and there's your modification. Gives you more help. I assume it gives you like the values, technical data. Here you have the system reset. There you can enter and do modifications. And there we go. So that was basically the maintenance functions. Under calibrations, you do find the high pressure pump. So you have that. And there you change the temperatures, the fuel flow, and gives you also the initial conditions and the range that you need to have in order to calibrate. Now you can actuate components. You can actuate a cold start control relay and EGR valve. It will give you instructions on how to do this. So before you do any steps, before you do something, it will give you like an explanation of what's gonna happen and what you need to know before you do it. So it's super friendly for mechanics. It's gonna give you all the information you need before doing any changes to the equipment. Here you go, there's EGR valve, and here's where you can change the values. Now there's the final report you get at the end of each diagnostics. Here you can see everything we did. So the faults that we read, that we saw, the injector coating modification, the maintenance on the engine, and also here's the calibration. Here's also the live data you requested, the graph, and you can add comments. You can add like how many hours you worked on this, the price per hour, and also the total, so it can be like an actual invoice for your customers. You can even add your logo here on the top, with your customer name and all that here on the top left. And you can add signature. This you can save as a PDF, print it, and also once you save it, it will go to the GRP, which is a system within the software where you can handle your customer list, your fleet list, and also all the reports of each diagnostics that you do.
If you have any questions, just get in touch with us here at Mechnician. You can reach us at 888-624-2240 or www.mechnician.com. Thank you very much.